Hello everyone, myself CA Ashwini Sonane from Instagram page CA Let's Achieve. Our last video was based on how to increase concentration with a simple graphology tip. If you haven't checked out yet, I will put the link in the description box below. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic which is usually ignored by many CA students, due to which it is difficult to clear the group even if you pass individually in every subject. So let's begin with today's topic. Our topic is how to target strategically to clear the CA exams. So let's begin. We are taking CA Foundation as an example. You can apply it equally for your CA Intermediate as well as CA Final group wise. Watch till the end and do let me know your review in the comment section below. CA Foundation consists of 4 subjects. First is accounting, second is business law, third is maths and stats, fourth is business economics and BCK. Now, what is the target strategy that we have to apply? We have to apply this strategy accordingly. You have to target 2 subjects in a group for 60 plus marks and remaining 2 subjects you have to target for 50 plus marks. Now, it seems easy to target but it is difficult to achieve. You might think when the 50 is the average for passing, why we need to target 60 plus marks? So, here is the answer to your question. It is difficult to get the marks as you have targeted. You always land up short of 5 to 10 marks of what you have actually targeted. That's why it is very much necessary that you have to target at a higher rate. Now, the next question is why we need to target 2 subjects for 60 plus. So, this question is also equally important and needs to be addressed accordingly. 60 plus marks you can target and achieve for one subject, then why you have to target for 2 subjects? This is because it might so happen that the subject which you have studied for 60 plus might be the toughest subject of the group in your CA exams. So it would be difficult to score 60 plus in that exam. Also, when you have targeted 60 plus for a subject and it happens to be the toughest subject of the group, and assume it is the first paper, then your morale goes down and it is difficult for you to concentrate and study for your remaining group. So, if you have targeted 2 subjects for 60 plus marks, then it would be easy for you to cover up the aggregate even if one subject turns out to be the toughest in the group. Now, which subject to target for 60 plus mark and which subject to target for 50 plus marks? Now, this completely depends upon you. I have just given an example of targeting accountancy with 60 plus, law with 60 plus, maths and stats with 50 plus, business economics and BCK with 50 plus. This needs to be targeted individually by every student depending on which subjects are scoring and easy for him and which subjects are tougher for him. It might so happen that economics is the toughest for one student and it is simultaneously the easiest subject for other student. Now, one more thing which you can keep in mind is you can target one theory subject for 60 plus and one practical subject for 60 plus. Usually, if you have 2 practical subjects in a group, then it is the easier to target for 60 plus. But maths is usually hard for CA Foundation students, so they can target economics or law for 60 plus along with accountancy. Now, for CA Inter students and CA Final students, you have to check out the group and decide 2 subjects in which you are going to target for 60 plus and remaining 2 subjects needs to be targeted at 50 plus. If you plan the remaining 2 subjects for 40 plus, it is not going to work. Now, going ahead, what we need to do in 60 plus targeted subject. Remember, only targeting a subject for 60 plus is not going to work. You have to achieve it by executing it accordingly. The first and the foremost thing in the targeted 60 plus subject, you have to complete at least 90 to 95% of the syllabus of the given subject. You have to allocate more time to these 2 subjects as you want to score 60 plus, so more revision and more study materials needs to be allocated to this. Now, if you have targeted a practical subject for 60 plus marks, then you have to practice more of it. You have to take extra study material, past papers, difficult questions and practices. Remember, scoring 60 plus is not at all easy in CA exams. That's why you have to allocate more time to these 2 subjects. If you have allocated theory subject for 60 plus, then you have to write write and write. You have to do writing practice. You can write the head points, you can scribble, but you need to have writing practice as it is difficult to complete the theory subject in exams. Writing practice is necessary so that you complete the theory subject within the allocated 3 hours time span. Usually, people end up writing only 75 to 85 marks of theory subject paper. In this case, it is difficult to score 60 plus. That's why writing practice is important for theory subject. You can write test papers or past papers for more practice of your targeted subject. Moving ahead, what we need to do with the 50% targeted subject. You have to complete at least 80% of the syllabus for this targeted subject. You have to revise whatever you have studied properly. Avoid studying new topics while you are doing your revision. Revise whatever you have studied properly. Allocate fixed time schedules and try to complete it within the time schedules. You can check out past papers and test papers. If time permits, you can also write down few past papers or test papers for improving your targeted subject. Now, the further question arises, how we are going to complete all this in the given span of time which is available at our end. So, for that, we have already made a video of completing one subject in 7 days. You can refer to that. If you are having classes or articleship, we have a separate video for that too. So, you can refer to that and complete your targeted subject. Remember, why targeting is important is because unless you know what you have to achieve, it is really difficult to achieve. So, target accordingly and study accordingly. All the very best. Thank you. If you have any suggestions for our next video, you can comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, then please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.